What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube, where I just give my thoughts and opinions. But today is not a discussing of anybody else's channel but my own. So just give you some backstory, guys, what I did the weekend. I finally went to my first ever Cars and Coffee on Sunday. I've never been to one before. We don't have them where I live back in Ireland, so I went to my own. Didn't know anybody there. I went to vlog it, and for some weird reason, I don't know why, the sound wasn't picked up. So unfortunately, the vlog I had for you has turned into a montage. So I'm going to edit this the best way I can. I don't have an editor anymore, unfortunately, so I'm not too sure how this edit's going to come out. Hopefully it's good enough for you guys and you enjoy it. All I'm going to say to you is the car for the show for me was obviously a Mclaren Senna. I've never seen one before in real life. It was unfucking real. I absolutely love that car. And I just basically recorded some of the cars, my favourite cars that were there. So hopefully you like it. And yeah, I just, you know, it is what it is, guys. If any of the owners are watching, I'd love to be able to meet up with them and see their cars in person and get more information on it. So yeah, guys, without further ado, here you go. Here is just a montage of the Cars and Coffee here in Liverpool that I was at. there you have it, guys. Let me know what would have been your favorite car from what I've recorded. Now, there was a lot of other cars there. Fair dues to Cars and Coffee. It was absolutely, the cars there were insane. It was a very, very big, for me, the amount of space that they had and the cars that showed up. I got down there literally half an hour after it started, so it was really busy. I mean, it was just, I was the only person I could see that was vlogging. I didn't see anybody else vlogging, and it felt so weird. Everybody was kind of looking at me, and there were so many groups of people just kept getting in my way. So it was really difficult to actually, you know, to vlog and talk about cars, because everything you want to look at and get, it was just constantly groups of people in your way, which was absolutely insane. But yeah, for me, unbelievable show. Like, just some of the cars that were there, fair dues to the owners. Big round of applause to them. They are doing another one next month, so hopefully I will have a vlogging camera by then. I just don't like using my phone as much as the picture is good. So hopefully next time I will be getting a vlogging camera for it, and we'll do a proper vlog, and I can meet up with people, or people can go with me, because going on your own, guys, is it's better when you know somebody there. It's more fun, and you don't feel too weird because everybody's looking at you when you're standing with a camera talking, and everybody's like going, what's this guy doing? So yeah, look, hopefully you like the edit, and look, next time we'll definitely try and get a vlog in. And yeah, so until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.